Hi, my name is Logan Martin, and welcome to the product tour of the 2023 206 Cayman by Robalo. This boat takes everything you love about a big fishing boat and puts it into a convenient package. With a length overall of 20 feet 6 inches, a beam of 8 feet, and a passenger capacity of 8 people, this boat will give you a good time every time you take it out to the water. So let's climb aboard and check out some of the key features and see why this is the next boat you should own. Starting with the front of the bow, we have a wide casting platform covered in our diamond pattern non-skid, featuring pull-up cleats to reduce on potential tripping hazards. In the center of this platform, we have the anchor locker, with a door that's held in place by tension hinges and keeper tabs that lock the anchor in place while you're underway. In stepping back, we can take a look at our cushioned U-shaped seating that fills the bow area. The boat I'm on today has the optional removable bow backrest to give you even more seating options. To both port and starboard side, we have extended stainless steel grab rails and stainless steel draining cup holders. With these cushions removed, this seating area becomes yet another casting platform covered in our diamond pattern non-skid. Under the port side seat, we have a lockable dry storage area with reinforced rod holders to protect your equipment while you're underway. Into the center, we have a deep dry storage compartment which also houses the electrical components needed for an optional trolling motor. And to starboard, we have a 45-gallon insulated overboard draining fish box. Mounted into the front of the console, there's a cushioned seat surrounded by 6 rod holders and a stainless steel grab bar at the bottom. Underneath this bottom cushion, there's a 15-gallon insulated live well with a door mounted on tension hinges that keep it open in any position. The back cushion of this seat also folds down to give you access to your dash panel electronics. The first things you'll notice when you're seated behind the helm of the 206 Cayman is the cushioned anti-slip floor mat and the angled footrests that help keep you comfortable while you're sitting at the leaning post. In front of me, I have a stainless steel steering wheel mounted on a tilt base with the throttle control next to it. Above the steering wheel, we have the Yamaha digital instrument gauges, which pair nicely with the optional 7-inch Simrad touchscreen display. More starboard, we have the Clarion stereo head unit with Bluetooth capabilities. Above this, there are stainless steel switches that control the electrical systems of the boat. These switches also have breaker buttons that allow you to take some of the hassle out of troubleshooting while you're on the water. To either side of the console, we have stainless steel draining cup holders. And when we look up at the top of the console, there are 2 draining storage trays equipped with a 12-volt charging outlet and a mounted compass. The console also features a tinted windshield with a stainless steel wraparound grab rail. Looking aft, you can see that on both the port and starboard side, there are these cushioned jump seats. These seats easily fold down to give you a nice, flat casting deck that is covered in our diamond pattern non-skid. This casting deck flows seamlessly into our wide gunnels that surround the boat and are covered in our diamond pattern non-skid to give you a safe step wherever you are. And underneath each of these seats, you will find access to your battery compartments and utilities. Underneath the starboard seat, you will also find your battery switch. And looking at the rest of our aft casting deck, you'll find a 4-step stainless steel reboarding ladder covered by a flush-mounted fiberglass door. The boat I'm on today features the optional leaning post that has an additional 4 rod holders and dedicated storage for a 70-quart carry-on cooler. And finally, that brings us to the transom area, where you can see Robalo's extended V-plane hull to give you better stability and fuel efficiency. The boat I'm with today is outfitted with a 4-stroke 150 horsepower Yamaha engine, and you can opt for up to a 200 horsepower engine and trim tabs. Thanks for coming with me on the product tour of the 2023 206 Cayman by Robalo. For more information on this boat or to compare it to some of our other models, visit www.robalo.com and we'll see you out on the water.